Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your cellular plan allows tethering and that you have sufficient data. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your device. Make sure airplane mode is off. Open settings to the personal hotspot section, set a recognizable network name and a strong password so others can't join. Once done, leave the hotspot screen open while connecting devices. This keeps the service active. These first steps reduce friction and prevent carrier or device blocks that stop sharing. Once the hotspot is enabled, choose how you'll connect. Wi-Fi for convenience, Bluetooth for low energy, or USB for stability. If using Wi-Fi, open the client device's network list, pick the hotspot SSID, and enter the password. Make sure the client is set to obtain IP automatically. If you prefer USB, connect the cable, accept any trust prompt on the phone, and install drivers if the computer asks. For Bluetooth, pair devices first, then enable network access profile so the internet routes properly. To finish, confirm connectivity. Load a web page or run a quick speed test on a connected device so you know the link works. Make sure to monitor data usage and disconnect devices that are idle. This preserves your plan and phone battery. If something fails, first restart the phone and the client device, then toggle the hotspot off and on. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears misconfigured profiles and often resolves stubborn IP, DNS, or tethering permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.